What's going on, y'all? Tech Me Out here, and I am back with another top Android app video. So this time I'm going to be focusing on 5 apps instead of my occasional 10, because what I seek to do is roll this type of video out at least once a week. So without any further ado, let's jump into the first app. And as we do, keep in mind that everything in which I'm mentioning in this video will be linked down below in the description box. But the very first app that we have on the list is known as Simply Weather and Clock Widget. And it's pretty much exactly as its name says, simple weather information presented in a very clean format without any ads. So with this, you have the option to change the color of the widget background and its transparency, with a few weather widget options to choose from as well. Now, me personally, what I really liked about it was the way that it broke down the hourly forecast on one page along with the weather. So you don't have to navigate to different pages or areas within this app to get that information. It's all right there as soon as you open it. And you will also notice that on any hour in which it is expected to rain, it will highlight it in blue. So it kind of draws it a little bit more to your attention. You can also customize your notifications so that you get a weather summary for the day, or you can get alerts regarding rain, snow, and unusual conditions. Now, this next app to me is like nostalgia heaven. And what it's gonna do is kind of give you this like VHS look to your videos. So it's really handy for those of you that want to upgrade your Insta stories and kind of give them a unique spin. You should check out this app called 90s Glitch VHS and Vaporwave Video Effects Editor. So within the app, you can capture a video or import a video and then simply browse the effects at the bottom of the page. Now, to apply the effect, you're going to tap where you want to start playing the video within your timeline. And then you're gonna select the play option and press and hold on the effect in which you want. When you do this, you'll notice that your timeline's gonna highlight a specific area in a specific color that's gonna apply that specific effect. And then once you're finished, all you have to do is export it. Now, this brings back like so many memories, and I'm not even gonna hit you with the line like back in my day kind of thing, but if any of you out there remember VHSs and cassette tapes, let me know by hitting that like button. You can even drop a memory of them down below in the comments section, but yeah, definitely takes me down memory lane. But moving right on along to the next app, I have something for all of you that like to keep some of your photos and videos private. Links might just be the next app for you. So this is like the ultimate vault for your information. You can lock things up using your fingerprint, or you can password protect it, and you can even have it switch around the numbers on your keypad each time if you want to take your security even further. Now, all of your photos and videos in here are cloud-based, so they don't take up space on your phone within the application. And you can even share specific albums by creating an access code to share with another link's user. Now, if the keypad fingerprint lock just simply isn't enough for your security level, then you can even camouflage the app login page so that it looks like a calculator when you're signing in, but it's not going to change the actual icon. But if that still isn't enough, you can make a fake pin code to throw in some fluff items so that if the app happens to be discovered and for whatever reason you need to show the content within it, you will have a fake links set up so that everything in there is not what it actually is and can psych anybody out. And if you're concerned about it showing up on your recently used app list, they got you covered there. It's not going to even appear within that area. Now, you know, if you got to do all of that, you probably shouldn't be doing whatever you're trying to hide, but this is a judge-free zone, so hey, it is what it is. So if this app has your attention, then know that you can also take advantage of an intruder alert, which is automatically going to take a picture of any intruder who typed in a wrong PIN code. But it's nothing worse than a selfie shot from the bottom up and not dead on. Most people are going to type that PIN in like this instead of like this. I'm telling you, those selfies are going to get you every time. You're going to have a ball laughing at either yourself or somebody else, because I sure did. Now, moving on to app number 4. If you are that person that likes to take that perfect selfie, look good on Insta, and post that caption beneath it that doesn't really have much to do with the picture, then this is the app you're going to want to check out, because it's going to supply you with that caption in which you need. So it's called My Captions, and seriously though, if you want to find any captions for your pictures, you can explore popular quotes, categories, or just search for a word to find quotes that basically embody that word. And then once you have found a quote to your liking, you can simply copy and paste it, or you can just heart it for safekeeping and later use. But that's really it to that application. So we're gonna move on to the very last app. And this actually came as a recommendation within my last Top Androids video. In that video, I asked you all to give me some recommendations. I check them out and I might feature you. So big up to X Malik X. I think I said your name right. I apologize if not. But this particular person recommended navbar apps, and I downloaded it and it's pretty legit. So with this, you can customize your navigation bar to be a number of things, ranging from choosing a specific color to it adapting to the app in which you have open to better match the color scheme of that application. You can also have it adjust its color to reflect your battery percentage or a specific image, or even music bars when music is playing. You do have a few additional settings, like the option to disable certain apps from reacting to Navbar Plus, and a few others which I'm gonna let you explore on your own, but it's definitely an app I feel like a lot of you might be able to enjoy nonetheless. But if you have an app in which you feel I should check out, be sure to drop it down below because I might feature it within next week's episode. But yeah, that's it for this one. As always, thanks. Oh, how did I forget? If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like button and also be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when a new video drops. And with that said, as always, thanks for taking the time out to let me tech you out.